13 years back, a girl passes out from an engineering college in Rajasthan and gets placed in a very well-known IT company in Pune. She is immensely happy. After all, it was her dream, right? Her dream to get called as a software engineer, get placed, and obviously start earning. She joins that IT company, completes her 3 months of training program in mainframes, and enjoys thoroughly that initial 1 year of her joining, as she was not given any project, plus she was getting the salary. After completion of 1 year, she finally gets her first project and then her first assignment by her manager. Swati, can you please complete this task by 3 pm? She says yes. Sitting on her chair, she turns towards her laptop, completes the task by 3 pm and hands it over to her manager. Although she did her job quite well, but by the end of the day, something had shifted inside of her. So even she wasn't aware what exactly that thing was, but she could sense that she is not the same person as she was before getting that assignment. But then she kept telling to herself, that's how it must be. That's how it's supposed to be. Maybe I will feel happy once I will get this particular promotion or when I will be at a particular position, etc. After all, I'm not alone. Everybody is happy and everybody is doing the same thing, right? Everybody is doing the same thing. The only reason for her to keep going. She kept consoling herself and kept working and working. 7 years passes by, but nothing major changes, except that she got into her comfort zone even more. So much that even the thought of quitting her job scared her. And because of this comfort zone, she spends another 5 years by doing the same tasks, having the same routine and same environment. The story I just narrated is the story of none other than me. And last year, exactly on the same date when I'm recording this video, I left my high-paying job. Did I take the right decision? I don't know yet. But am I happy? 100%. And the reason for it is simple. I was not happy and fulfilled in my job. And the sad part is, it took me years to take this decision. I was not feeling fulfilled at all. The only thing I was doing while working was waking up at 6:30 a.m., finishing all my morning chores, sit for work around 10 a.m. for 9 to 10 hours, and would only get up to have my lunch and dinner. I gradually realized that this is something which I don't want to do. I am not interested in this stuff. I'm just not curious about this work. It's mundane and boring. Also, during those years, whenever there was pressure of work, I used to take so much of stress, which used to result in me being undisciplined for weeks and even months. On certain days, I still remember I would often ignore what I'm eating. I would not even go to the gym for weeks. And that used to affect my overall well-being immensely. I wouldn't look good in the mirror. I would be overweight. I will have dark circles and dull face. And I simply used to hate myself for looking like this. And then I would just ask myself, what for am I doing all this? Instead, there are so many other things which I'm interested in. So why not to try them? After all, I have only one life, right? And I don't want to regret in my old age that I did not try anything when I was young. Holding on to this thought, I decided that now I want to give a try to everything, whatever I'm interested in. And I was interested in so many things. That was another challenge for me. I was interested in sales, I was interested in marketing, going to the gym, eating healthy, teaching soft skills, spirituality, making videos and whatnot. And also I was scared. I was super scared, and because of which I kept delaying this decision for years. But finally, I mustered the courage to quit, and after quitting IT, I tried many odd jobs, including working in a marketing profile for 8 months, but left all of them in a span of 1 year. I liked marketing for sure, but then I realized instead of marketing for others, why not to market for myself? So what did I gain from this experience? Clarity. It might sound very simple, but Sadhguru says, when you have utter clarity on where you are right now, the next level of experience will reveal itself to you. And that's what I experienced. This gave me so much of clarity on what I don't want to do in life. One thing I learned from this experience was clarity is the biggest tool for anyone who wants to progress in life. Most of the times, we are so confused about what to do, how to do, when to do, etc., which completely paralyzes us and we end up getting nowhere. Instead, if we just push ourselves a little bit. Although it's going to be super scary, I know, the way it was like me. But if you just trust and push yourself just a little bit to try various things, and you don't have to leave your job for this. Believe you me, you would be able to gain so much of clarity that what you want to do, which in turn would become your confidence. Your confidence levels would go just so high. It will release so much of baggage from your shoulders just by doing this. Clarity revealed to me about myself. I learned so many things about my personality, about who I am as a person. So I am a kind of person who values freedom over anything else. I am someone who values self-improvement way more than technical skills improvement. I'm someone who just cannot handle so much of pressure. For me, freedom is above everything, literally, even if that means living on a minimal budget. I'm someone who doesn't want to follow others' orders. All in all, I just felt that I am a different person and what I was doing is completely opposite to my personality. Instead, if I do something which resonates with my personality, I would be able to do much better and I would be much happier. So if you ask me, do I have a backup plan? I would say no, but I'm pretty sure something or the other would work out because I'm totally up to grind myself for the same. I'm currently doing my second certification in nutrition and fitness, pushing my limits by creating content on YouTube, working on my health, and most importantly, working on being disciplined. Something which I had lost long back. Right now, I'm super excited as well as scared as I'm filming this video, but I also know that this is the only way to come out of my comfort zone. I have to challenge myself to step into the unknown, to destroy my comfort zone forever and become immensely confident. And I'm excited for the same reason because I know that once I will publish this video and watch myself, I will be proud of myself. If you want to follow along with my journey after quitting 9 to 6 job, do subscribe. Until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy and stay positive. Bye.